This is a video chart presentation of High Plains Gas Inc., brought to you by allpennystocks.com. High Plains is a NASDAQ bulletin board company trading our ticker HPGS. See just a very nice uptrend channel this chart has established over the last 4 months. Rolling again off the bottom, we're going to take a look at this, see if this is going to challenge the upper side of this channel. Stocks channeling like that, you're going to see a lot of this kind of middle of the road sort of indicators, a lot of wedge formations, things along those lines, looking for the chart to try and break out. Right now, important to note, we're just getting a bullish cross. Histogram bars look like they're ready to pop through zero. If that's the case, we'll look for this to break through the upper side of that wedge. Same sort of look with the PPO. ADX down very low. These are the sort of things I'd expect, very neutral sort of positions, even though there's an upward channel. It's so slow and steady that this chart goes on breakout. Watch try and put together a much stronger move. If that happens, we'll see some sharper action in the ADX. Nice quick uptrends going on in the short-term MFI, 7 and 14, 21 still holding well above 50. That's a very bullish look. Overall, still seeing an uptrend in the accumulation distribution. Well, of course, we want to see it try and take out this top. It's kind of been flatlined in a channel for the last month. We want to see it make a push again, similar to this. In worst-case scenario is make a new plateau at a higher high, just like it did through here. Shaking money flow, holding well in the green, showing you buying pressure has been overcoming selling pressure. Stock is a low volume stock, and this shaking money flow and accumulation distribution shows you that most of the money flowing into this stock is buying pressure. CCI is a bit suspect at this point. It's a buy on the breakthrough 100 right through there. Per definition, it's a sell when it breaks back down through 100. Hasn't made that move yet, sitting at 106.96. Keep an eye on this to see if it wants to pop back up, show a little bit more strength. Stocks that trade on this low volume, this can move pretty quickly with very sharp moves. It's important that it's holding over top of zero, maintaining a bull chart territory. Full stow, a couple dips below 50, but primarily holding over top of it. Again, that's bull chart territory, and a nice uptrend going on over the last week or so. So very nice look to the stow. Tricks kind of goes right along with the MACD and the PPO. A little bit of a wedge look going on to it. We'll look for the bullish cross and the breakthrough. And ideally what you want to see is this come through and make a new higher high to take this whole look at the tricks and kind of put it in an upward channel. Keep an eye on that bullish cross in the near future. RSIs, basically holding over top of 50. Very nice look to them. Kind of giving hints of a possible turn. That's because this stock gapped up on Friday and then closed slightly lower, even though it closed higher than the previous day. You can see it was up just under 1%. There's a low volume, 25,000 shares traded, which is probably slightly below average for the way it's been trading for the last 4 months. But on the whole, you can see relatively low volume, although it is capable of putting together some higher volume days. So what we'll look for is if this can break out, we'll look for that volume surge to come in. A couple very bullish things about this chart. Trading over the top of the 50 and 200-day moving averages, which are both trending upward. Very bullish look to it. Holding over top of all the short-term moving averages at this point. Picks up a little bit of support here at $1.20. There's a little bit of resistance right through here that it just recently broke through. This support right down here around $1.10 should be pretty strong. There's a resistance level, a support level, a support level. The 50-day moving average is right there. So if it happens to pull back, I'll be looking to see how it deals with the $1.10 area. Right now, though, a nice little rounded look to it. Bollinger Band's trending upward. Look like they're starting to gap a little bit. This is giving hints of trying to make a move to the north side. So what we'll be looking for is to break through that resistance. You can see there's a little bit there at $1.30, just from right through this area. Touched it there on Thursday. So we'll be looking for volume increase and a push through that $1.30 to come up and try and take out this $1.40. You can see if it takes up $1.40, there's really nothing in its way. Basically a blue sky kind of breakout. Not to try and clutter it up with too many lines, but look at this upward channel right through there. See that lower part? Somewhere right along that area. So if it can make that break, the push through $1.30 to carry it through $1.40, be looking for this to test the upper trend line just over $1.60. Overall, though, a very nice look to the High Plains gas chart. Low volume is still interpreted the same way. Look for the moving averages. Look for the Bollinger Bands. Look for this parabolic SAR to get hit and get flipped down to the bottom. But overall, the chart needs to stay on breakout watch because it's giving hints that may happen. As always, merely my interpretation of the High Plains gas chart. I'm not a financial consultant. I strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. Do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.